Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on the new shares. Especially it is for the Diwali based shares, and one of my favorite, Asima Limited. The main business is of fabric, cloth, and this company is based in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. What we found in this company during the Diwali festival time, that during the Diwali festival time this company always make unto the investor, it has given them 10 to 20% return. From last 5 I am tracking personally, and what we found that this, especially during the Diwali time, we should buy this company. And at present this company has been trading near 7.60 paisa. What we suggest here from that, buy above 8.60, target would be 11, and second target will be 12.60. Above 12.65, if it go, then it might touch to 15 to 17 rupees, but 12.65 is the main resistance what we have found. Let me show why we are telling 12.60 here, because as I am dragging my cursor, it is 12.65. I am pointing out why 12.60, because this is the one resistance, this is the second resistance, and this is the fourth upside candle, this is the fifth. So about 12.60, if we move, then it can see the trend up to 15 to 17 rupees. Buy this shares with the stop loss of 6 rupees and 30 paisa. Also let me show you in NSE what about this Asima Limited. See it has been closed near 7.10. 52-week high is 9.65, that is made on 16 January 20, and low is 2 rupees and 90 paisa on 31st March. So buy the shares with the stop loss of 6 rupees, and let's see how much it can go, as we have provided you the target, and do the some research work on that from your side also, because we are showing you the chart from our past experience that this go up to this during this time this much. So we are taking the logic of that period, and that year how much during the Diwali time it has moved towards upward. So I have just suggest the shares, you could buy the shares. And before closing this conversation, I would like to tell you and give you a disclaimer that just we are suggesting you the shares. Please ask your broker, do the research properly, and buy the share. Whatever the profit and loss, we are not liable. We are just giving our view and suggestion about the script what we feel to share with you. So be cautious, make the profit, and whenever you think that this share is not going up, trade with the stop loss, because stop loss can save your money. Because today you will find the market is going up 100 rupees, 200 rupees nifty in a half an hours. And also there is an election Bihar and USA on 3rd November. So you will find volatility in the market. So trade with the stop loss and ask your broker before you trade to the script. Have a good day. Stay safe. Thank you.